Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Kapchai Rideology. Okay, today we're gonna do an unboxing of a 5-liter jerry can for my petrol. This is in preparation for my trip up to Vietnam this time round, so I have to buy this spare petrol containers so that in case there's a long journey whereby I cannot find any petrol station, this guy will be come in handy. So with my trusty knife, this is from Spyderco, the H1. It's gonna help me with the unboxing of the 5-liter jerry can. Okay, so we have two of them here. The 5-liter jerry can. They are identical twins. So I'll just need to show you one of them, and then we will cut the video. Then I will bring it down to my bike and we will install it on bride. Can in bubble wrap, and this is the bracket to be mounted on a round bar system. So I have my crash bar installed already, so this will be fitted on the crash bar. Okay, a closer look. Danger. What's that? See? A long haul. Very nice design. The most important part. So many things dropping. What's this? Should be the sealant over here. This is the important part, see? This is how we do it. Got it? Fit it back. What and what? I can't even see. There. So you have the mouthpiece here, and you put it into the hole for easy pouring. Because this is the bleeder behind here. You need to take it out during pouring. The bracket. I'll show you a bit on the bracket. Go in there. See? Nicely fitted. The U-bolt shall be behind. I will show you when I do the fixing on the round bar. Okay, I'm definitely sure you want the dimension of this jerry can. So here, let's do it together. This is 25 cm. There, 30 cm. I think it's around 30. Then we can see 30 cm on the height and 25 cm on the breadth. You need this dimension too. Full length. What is this? 7 cm or 6.5 cm. Maybe you can see. Maybe I'll try to zoom in. Let's move to the bike. So as you can see, now my motorbike have this crash bar. This crash bar I bought from Bike Zone 88 in JB. I will give you the link in the description below. Okay, so with this crash bar, now we are able to fix the 5-liter jerry can onto the crash bar. What we need is only a spanner size 8 for this nut. The U-bolt nut is size 8, that's all. So looks like we have a problem. We have to use my old booties, diving booties. I have to cut it out because I don't have any rubber. This is what I can find at home, so I will use this as the, see, this is the protector for the U-bolt touching the crash bar. Guys, one I mount on the top and the other one I mount at the bottom frame of the crash bar. So my followers out there, what do you think? Can you help me? Which is right? Lower frame or the upper frame to be mounted? Help me guys, comment away. Okay guys, I think this is the final setup that I have decided. Decided to mount on the top part of the frame of the crash bar and not the bottom part. Why I chose this is because look at this. This is only a 2 U-bolt mount ring, so it's expected to, of course, slide. See? So that's why I choose the top. When this thing is heavy, see, it will rest onto the bottom part of the frame. If I put it below, it will just slide and move right in, touching the wheels. So it's more safer to fix this way. Alright, so there you have it. 2 5 liters jerry can for my spare petrol during my ride to Vietnam. Good luck.